last year too. 15 boxes per masterpiece, 5 boxes per inner. So inner number 2. Down there. So this is a random divisions number 2 tonight. Random divisions number 2. Say no Phoenix. I forgot to do this on the first one. So no Phoenix. You got for this one the AFC East, AFC West, AFC East, AFC West. No Phoenix. Jeff, we sent yours out today too, sir. So we sent yours out today too. Except I hate to tell you though, in the other two inners, we pulled a Adrian Peterson 1/1 auto redemption, a Colin Kaepernick numbered to 5 auto redemption, an EJ Manuel auto, a Geno Smith auto patch, Giovanni Bernard auto patch. So the 5 that you have might not be all that great. Got Christine Michael, the Seahawks. Christine Michael, the Seahawks. Got Jared Allen, Vikes, $3.99. Jared Allen for the Vikes, $3.99. Got out of 10. Got Dennis Pitta. Dennis Pitta for the Ravens, out of 10. Dennis Pitta. Dennis Pitta. But some really nice looking stuff. I've been thoroughly impressed. Got $3.99. Michael Rivera, Raiders. Got $3.99. Zach Doyle, Indianapolis Colts. Zach Doyle, Jack Doyle, whatever his name is. Got $3.99. Matt Stafford, the Lions. Matt Stafford, Lions. Got out of 49. Jonathan Banks. Jonathan Banks for the Bucks. This one might be pretty decent. Got out of 249 going to Dave. Dave on the board early. Bengals, Giovanni Bernard. There we go. Dave out of 299. Giovanni Bernard for the Bengals, $2.99. Got a redemption for, holy cow, look at that, another one. Quentin Patton. So we've gotten 2 Quentin Patton autos in both cases we've done today. '49ers, Cornelius Carradine. For the Niners. Cornelius Carradine out of 99. Got a Raider, $2.99. Raiders, $2.99. Darren McFadden. No kidding. Darren McFadden. And a base jersey out of 49. Base jersey out of 49. Christine Michael. This is actually the 4th. Christine Michael. Johnny 5, were you around this afternoon? That Adrian Peterson auto was a 101. The black autos are 101s. We looked at the checklist tonight because we had a Kaepernick Platinum that was out of 5. So I didn't even think the blacks were that, so I didn't even look at the checklist today. Yeah. So there's 2 nice 101s in that one. That's what I thought too. I didn't even look at the checklist. I thought maybe we had a Platinum, Colin Kaepernick tonight. I thought a Platinum would have been a 101, but it was numbered to 5. You got a Lions, Matt Stafford. Matt Stafford for the Lions. Got a $3.99 Victor Cruz. Any of the metals autos? I have no idea. I wouldn't think so. Got a $3.99 Frank Gore. Tonight, not really. Aaron Millete, $3.99. Aaron Millete, $3.99. For Victor Cruz was the Matt Stafford medal. Hey, we hit another one tonight too. Got $3.99. Mike James. We hit numbered 1 of 10 tonight. So we hit 3 of 10 this afternoon and 1 of 10 tonight. Mike James. You got $3.99. Sam Montgomery. Nope, no Lacey's. Got Sam Montgomery, the Vikes. Got out of 25. Michael Ford. Michael Ford. Got a 2-colored auto patch, $2.99. 2-colored auto patch. Justin Hunter. Justin Hunter. Justin Hunter. Got out of 99, Gavin Escobar. Johnny 5, let me double check on that. No offense to Trevor, no offense to you. We had somebody a couple weeks ago do that, and they actually did not have that team. So we had a guy get screwed out of like $40. Vikings, $1.99, Rodney Smith. Rodney Smith for the Vikings, $1.99. Rodney Smith for the Vikes, $1.99. So give me just a second. So give me just a second. I'm looking at something. You did, that is correct. Yep, you're good for the one tonight. Yes. Speaking of Stafford, here's a nice Stafford. 2-colored patch out of 25. So no, I just wanted to double check because we had someone earlier that said, yeah, or like 3 weeks ago we had a guy say, yeah, I had that team. Got a 25, Matt Stafford. Matt Stafford, 2-colored. And a base jersey card. Base jersey card, $2.99. Ryan Nassib. Matt Stafford. Ryan Nassib. We did hit a Cordero Patterson this tonight. Still have not hit any Eddie Lacy's. Maybe Eddie Lacy was the maybe Eddie Lacy's in the inner case that we sent over to Monster Card Breaks. Got a Ben Roethlisberger. Ben Roethlisberger. No, not that good. Got a Ben Roethlisberger. Steelers, $3.99. Got a Doug Martin, $3.99 the Bucks. Got a $3.99 Kawan Short, Panthers. Got a $3.99 Michael Cox, the Giants. I know it's been pretty good. We've been on a pretty good stretch lately. $3.99 Clay Matthews. Clay Matthews. Got a $49 Larry Fitzgerald. Larry Fitzgerald. Back-to-back auto patches. This one's out of 299. Back-to-back. This one is a single colored of Terrence Williams, Dallas Cowboys. Terrence Williams, Dallas Cowboys. TK, Terrence Williams. And right behind it, out of 299, two-colored auto patch. To go with your shadow box. Gavin Escobar. Back-to-back Dallas Cowboys. Gavin Escobar. Got a gold out of 10 going to the Tampa Bay Bucks. Tampa Bay Bucks. Russell Shepard out of 10. Russell Shepard. Got out of 99. Got a Robert Hostler, Arizona Cardinals. Robert Hostler, Arizona Cardinals. Jumbo jersey out of 99. Jumbo jersey out of 99. Got a Jacoby Jones. Jacoby Jones. Next to Bucks. Jacoby Jones. It was Russell Shepard, numbered 7/10. Russell Shepard, 7/10. That was the Buccaneer, Russell Shepard. And last one, box 3, base jersey out of 299. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Matt Ryan. Box 4. Box number 4. Box 4. We had a Colin Kaepernick auto to 5. Got Steve Smith, Panthers. Steve Smith. Good, nice Giovanni Bernard. Got $3.99 RG3 the Skins. RG3. I think I saw someone. I think right before we started, I think I saw someone with an Eddie Lacy there trying to move in a Raz room. Jimmy Graham, the Saints, $3.99. I think that was right before we got started. $3.99 Jonathan Cyprin, the Jags. Got another Jack Doyle, $3.99 the Colts. Got a Redskin, $3.99 David Amerson. David Amerson. Got a 49 Tyrann Mathieu. Tyrann Mathieu. Got another 4-colored auto patch. 4-colored going to the Buffalo Bills, $2.99 Robert Woods. Getting a lot of Robert Woods. Robert Woods. So our first one was definitely a lot. Our first case was definitely better than this one so far. Got 2-colored, $2.99 Christine Michael. This one's been full of wide receivers, it seems like. Christine Michael. Got out of 199. 199 Seahawks Spencer Ware. Spencer Ware Seahawks. Got a Colt out of 25. Colts out of 25. T.Y. Hilton. Dang, 3 Montanas. T.Y. Hilton. Joe Flacco, $2.99. Joe Flacco, $2.99. Joe Flacco. And out of 99, Denver Broncos. Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning, Denver Broncos, out of 99. Last one, black football. Our second random divisions tonight, and then we're going to call it a night. Got another 101 plate. Our second 101 plate had one in the first case, too. Deion Jordan, Dolphins. Deion Jordan, Dolphins. Oh, that's too funny. Trent Williams, the Redskins. If anyone want to watch the afternoon break, we had a 101 Jason Pierre-Paul. Got another Jason Pierre-Paul. This is the second 101 plate we've gotten of Jason Pierre-Paul today. The second Jason Pierre-Paul 101 plate today. Two of them. This one looks like it's the the yellow version. Jason Pierre-Paul. So if you watch the afternoon break down below, you'll see another Jason Pierre-Paul 101. D. Milner, the Jets. Got a $3.99 Matt McGloin. Got a $3.99 Max Unger. Seahawks. Got a out of 25 Jet Zach Sudfield. Zach Sudfield, the Jets. Got a two-colored auto patch, 99. Two-colored auto patch out of 99. Giants, Ryan Nassib. Ryan Nassib. Out of 99 for the Giants. Got a redemption for a rookie shadow box. Jordan Reed, card 20. Jordan Reed, card 20 for the Redskins. Jordan Reed. We got a Patriot. 199 Patriots. 199 Sierra Wood. Sierra Wood. Got out of 25 going to the Jacksonville Jaguars. Jacksonville Jaguars out 25. Ace Sanders. Ace Sanders for the Jags out 25. And the last one is a base jersey card. I think we've got a random theme though. If you hit a redemption, if you hit an auto redemption of a rookie, you get a base jersey of the same guy later on. Jordan Reed, $2.99 for the Redskins. Jordan Reed, $2.99 for the Redskins. Finishing our second random division of black tonight.